1.681. That's it, phi. The golden ratio, the golden mean, the divine ratio. It's got a million names. It was named by Leonardo Bonacci. Most people know him as Fibonacci. He was a 12th century mathematician, and he came up with this. Well, actually, he came up with that, which had to be really hard. Okay, this is like some bored 5th grader level of deep mathematics. He took a number. Okay, start at 1. Well, you add those up, you get 2. So then you add those up, you get 3. You add those up, you get 5. And you just keep adding the last 2 numbers and you get the next one. Okay, so 5 and 8 are 13, etc. And it goes on forever, as high as you can be bothered to add, really. Computers are pretty good at that stuff now. So what that does, that sequence of numbers, which is like the mathematical equivalent of drawing the Stussy S, okay, yeah, but it's cool, okay, and he did it first, he wrote it down, and he came up with this. And it turns out this is a thing, this spiral, because it's everywhere. It's the classic is a conch shell, but you'll find it all over the place. It's Gerber daisies, sunflowers, pineapples, it's in nature everywhere. Pine cones. And because of that, we find it pleasing. So that makes it the divine ratio. It's about 1.68 and change. So we use it in architecture, and you'll find this ratio in architecture all over the place. And you'll find it in nature all over the place. And it's this cool thing from this cool guy who started out doing some 5th grade math dicking around and worked his way up to being the guy. And nobody remembers him for this, and it's really sad, and it's what I wanted to teach you. This guy, this Leonardo Bonacci, is the guy that took us from using Roman numerals to the reason why the numerals that you write with today aren't like VX, II, LC, MCML, XX, VII. He gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. He gave us the number system that we use today, which he absolutely stole from the Hindus and the Arabs, because it's commonly referred to as the Hindu Arabic number system. Fibonacci, 12th century mathematician, one guy, is the reason why you write with the numbers you do, and the reason why he's got his own Greek letter, okay? Phi, this is phi. This is phi. 1.681 and change, the golden mean, and it's awesome. Have fun, you learned something new. I'm Chris Bowden, I'll see you next time.